Hello everyone, and welcome to DelphStack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth audio delay on Windows 11, so your sound actually matches the video you are watching. The process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. The number one cause of audio lag in Windows 11 is the Audio Enhancements feature. It adds extra processing time to the sound, which causes the delay. Turning it off usually fixes it instantly. So just simply go ahead and click on the Start button, then click on the Settings option. Now go to the System menu on the left-hand side panel over here. Then just simply click on Sound. Over here, you will see the Output section. Now find your Bluetooth headphones or speaker that is connected, and then just simply click on this arrow option next to your device name to open the specific properties panel. Now scroll down until you see an option called Audio Enhancements Setting. Now click on the drop-down menu and set this to Off. Now while you are here, look down a little bit. You'll find Spatial Sound, and if this is turned on, click on the drop-down menu and set this to Off as well. We want a raw audio signal with zero processing. Now, if the delay is still there, the Windows Bluetooth service might be prioritizing power saving over performance, so we need to wake it up. So what you do is click on the Start button, then just simply type Services. Now open Services. Now scroll down the list until you find Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service, which is right over here. Now just simply right-click on it and then just simply click on Restart. Now after that, look for the Bluetooth Support Service, which should be right under it, as you can see over here. Now what we do is, again, right-click on it and restart this one as well. Now if the delay persists, double-click on the Bluetooth Support Service to open it, and then in the Startup type, change Manual to Automatic. Then just simply click on Apply to ensure the connection stays strong and consistent. And finally, if the lag remains, the initial connection handshake might just be weak, so try a fresh pairing because that many times clears out old cache. So again, go to your settings by clicking on the Start menu, then Settings, then click on Bluetooth and Devices. Now over here, you should be able to see your connected Bluetooth device. Just simply click on the three dots at the top of that device and then click on Remove Device. Then confirm by choosing Yes. Now just simply click on the blue button, which is Add Device, and then choose Bluetooth, and then you should be able to see your Bluetooth device appearing right away in this list. Just simply click on that and reconnect them. This forces Windows to renegotiate the latency, which often solves the syncing issue immediately. So that's it. Your audio should be perfectly synced with your video. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.